Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will work with neon acrylic paints. I have neon green, blue, violet, pink, orange and yellow, and of course my pearl white mixture, because I will do a flower with the reverse flower dip technique. All the details and videos links to the videos for mixing paint, for ratios, for everything will be down in the description box. It's a Halloween season kind of, so I'm again with that fluorescent paint mood. When Halloween starts, going in, you all see those fluorescent paints, and I was inspired by that. And in my early days, when I did a reverse flower dip, I used my pearl white mixture between every layer. But today I want to add all the colors. Pearl white, all the colors. Pearl white, all the colors. To have a little more of a color, I will pour my black on canvas more than I need, because I want to tilt it back to the cup, but I want to have a nice coverage. Okie doke, so my base coat is down. I will use this string to find the middle, because I like that symmetrical look of those flowers. They never stay in the middle, but at least I want to try to put it in the middle. I'm using this flower-shaped cup because it has some place that paint can flow under. That's how I get this nice look. So pearl white, and then green, and blue, and purple, and pink. I will just do that because I normally pour a little more on one side, and that's how I try to avoid that my flower is symmetrical, more symmetrical, less to one side. Okay, yellow, and I will pour pearl white again. Okay, I did some I will just do that for create more of 3D look of the petals. Like the colors, and I will remove the cup, and I will not do anything with the middle, I think, or maybe I will. Okie doke. Now I will spray my paper napkin with water to just soften it up, because I have to use, you know, that napkins that are not kind of soft. So place this in the middle of my flower, and the other half, as I said, I will put some links to more detailed video into the description box if you want to try this technique and need more information, or just make sure that everything is touching the middle too. So the moment of truth, I will gather the corners, try to stay in the middle of the flower, gather up all the corners, and I already did some. It's definitely not in the middle anymore. But that's okay. Wow, like it. Just need to blend this drip a little bit. Okay. To correct this a little bit if I can. I will just use this dotting tool here in the middle. Okie doke. Yeah, I like it because there is more color than when I did it with the pearl white between every layer. And I love those cells around, so love it. Let me take you down for a closer. She is beautiful. See those cells around with all the different colors, and some cells here in the middle of the flower, I just love it. I didn't do a perfect job with the lifting part. Sometimes hard, but it's beautiful. Just love it. Okie doke. So, tell me in the comments what you think about this one. And thanks for watching. See you again on the next one. Bye.